Hey boys and girls, just a quick video today on how to test your radiator fan switch. Okay, let's do it. So to test this, you're going to need obviously a switch, a multimeter set to continuity or resistance, and a pan of hot water. We're also using this to rest the switch in. You don't really need that though, but okay, let's do it. So at the moment, there'll be no, we shouldn't get a beep, should we?
I don't know.
No beep, no continuity between any of those pins. But when it heats up and opens up and it clicks, we should get it. Well, it can't be far off boiling that now. So there we go.
What should it be?
I just did a continuity test, not checking voltage, because there's no power going to it. So you're just checking. It's getting through. So there we go. That's opened up and it's working. Well, there we go. That was a nice short video on how to test it. I hope you found it useful. If you have, please drop a like or click on subscribe. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.